Welcome to my cabin, cabin 10225 on the MSC Magnifica. I was gonna say Magica. Let's have a tour, shall we? This is a balcony cabin on the 10th deck. I love this cabin so much, you guys. We're gonna start here in the bathroom. Here's a light for the bathroom. It works very well. This is the shower. It's very spacious. It does come with shampoo and conditioner, I'm assuming. No, my bad. Shampoo and shower gel. The water pressure is great. The heat is great. You know, the temperature. This is the sink area. Very nice. Plenty of space for my stuff. I don't really have a lot of stuff though. You have these cabinets down here. This is where your trash is. Then there's these cabinets if you need to store stuff. You got that. There is a soap dispenser with soap. And then back to the cabin. Oh, it's so beautiful, isn't it? I just love it so much. The bed can be separated into two. It is very comfy. It's firm, but also like a lot of coils and not too dense. I can't really describe it. It's very firm though. It didn't hurt my back or cause me any pains, which is amazing. It's a very good sign. And like I said, you can have it split when you get here. You can ask your room steward to split it into two twins. This is your TV. It's a pretty good sized TV for a cruise ship, especially like an older one. It does have a mini bar. It is locked. There's a paper here that tells you how much the stuff in the mini bar is. Like, for example, fruit juice $4.50, sparkling or still water $5.25. Ooh, I need a big water. There's some side tables here. You have two of them, one for each, you know, person. And usually when they do split the beds, they put the beds over and then put the two tables in the middle. So it's nice because you still do have your own little tables. Has a nice light, and then it has drawers like this. This phone is for calling, you know, around on the ship. Has 3 drawers. I don't know what this light's for. Okay, it's for that. It's right there. This is a nice little chair. I do love having chairs in the cabin. It's really nice to have a chair in your cabin and a little table, which is awesome. Sometimes people bring food down from the cafe. Sometimes they order food, order pizza. You have a nice little table to eat it on. This is the sitting desk area. I really do love the way this cabin is laid out. It's very nice. You have the little pull-out chair here, and then drawers. There's 2 drawers. This one has like a hairdryer and stuff in it. The other drawer has some papers and some of my stuff in it. This right here is like where you have your ice and your cups. I'm not using it, so I just moved it over to the side so I had space for my computer, and also put like the paperwork that they keep in the cabin and stuff under there for safekeeping. It does have these light switches, so if you do your makeup and stuff here, you have ample lighting. It does have 2 outlets. It's the only outlets I can find in the whole entire cabin. It looks like in the bathroom. One time we had to use like an outlet for the TV, but that goes through like a hole and it's locked. So that is not a possibility. So yeah, you do have your 2 outlets. So if you have multiple people in here, you're gonna have to, you know, make sure that you figure it out so you guys can all charge your stuff when needed. Here's the other little table with the little lamp. They have very nice curtains in here. They're like blackout curtains. So even when it's bright and sunny in the Bahamas like this, if you close the curtains, it gets very, very dark. So you can take naps. That's really nice. And it's just wonderful in the morning to just open these and just see the ocean. Now, this is how you unlock the balcony door, and this is how you lock it. Very simple. And then it easily, oops, I locked it, easily slides open. And boom, the beautiful ocean and the sounds of the ocean. This is an awesome balcony cabin because it comes with 2 comfy chairs, and I mean, I've put I think it's like a footrest. It's very comfortable, very spacious. It really is. Here's the view. Once again, we're on the 10th deck and we are at the back of the ship. That is the back of the ship. We're almost at the very back of the ship. Wow, pretty far back. And there's the front. Oh yeah, look how long she is. Going back in here, I'm gonna show you guys the closets and stuff. See, isn't it pretty? So spacious. The air works superbly in this cabin. I always have my air all the way down, and I have to keep it like here, okay? So hall light right there. Also, you have to keep a card in here to keep the lights and stuff working. And as far as closets go, we have this closet, which is one closet. It's like you know, open here. You have coat hangers, which is nice so you can hang up your clothes. Yeah, I don't bring too much stuff. Plenty of space down there for shoes, suitcases, but suitcases do fit under your bed just fine. Plenty of space under there. Oops, that was loud. Then we have one more cabinet, and in this cabinet we have this shelf space up here, which is really nice. There's a safe, which I'm not using, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. Nice deep drawers. Very nice. Also, I'm not using those because once again I don't bring much stuff, and I have my stuff in there. But yeah, this is the cabin. I love it so much. It is extremely comfortable. It's quiet, it's cool, it's cozy, it smells nice, it's spacious. I really highly recommend this cabin. I was just looking at my planner. It's 3:15, and at 3:30 there's a snow party, and I was like, snow party? They looked it up, and on the pool deck it's gonna snow. So serious. So we're going there right now. Deck 13 pool deck. This is the second pool. This is the pool that can be covered up there, see? Busy. And now going out here to where the snow party's gonna be. Woo, so busy. I'm going up a level. I like it up here. Oh, it says white night, because it's white night tonight. It's super windy out. I mean, super windy. I can't see anything, my hair's in my face, and the wind is actually pushing me. But the party's starting. I mean, the snow party's starting in a few minutes. I'm just hanging out up here waiting. Oh my God, there's snow everywhere. They just turned on the machine, and because of the wind, it came straight up here. I probably have snow all over on me. No. Oh my God, now I'm like afraid to turn it on again. I wasn't expecting it. They have a bottle of champagne for the craziest adult. There's like one adult out there, and she's acting like she might win. I was wondering what that champagne bottle was for. Oh my God, this ship is fun. Also, the interviews are nice of the other guests on board. Just look around. Oh, all of a sudden there's just like so many people out there. It's so cool. They're having so much fun. It's snowing on the ocean. Okay, so it's in Florida, and now it snows at sea in the Bahamas. This is so fun. In my eye. So much snow. Look at my phone. Look at that. Look at me. But I don't care. Here it comes again. Oh my God, that was so different and unique and fun. And look at this view, guys. Just look at it. So gorgeous. It's almost 4. I'm gonna head to the buffet to look at those snacks, the 4 to 5 snacks. This is the inside pool section, and there's still some snow flurries. In here, you don't know what's going on out there. It's like, what? It's snowing. That's crazy. And there's some snow on the ground. So fun. I'm just gonna go down one story so we can check out the snacks. Oh my God, I totally have sea hair now. Now that it's longer, it's also getting more tangled. This is the leftover lunch stuff. It's a few minutes until 4, and that opens in literally a few moments. Okie dokie, afternoon snacks. I'm just getting a plate because I could use a little snack. We have bread roll with mayonnaise, salami, and cheese. That's what these are, salami cheese sandwiches. These are little sandwiches, nice. This is a baguette with lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, cheese, and ham. Smoked salmon, multi-grain baguette with smoked salmon, lettuce, mayonnaise, tomato, onions, and capers. Now I do want to try this one. That looks delicious. They have sauces here, strawberry, chocolate, and whipped cream. Maybe it's going to be some ice cream or something? I don't know. This is apple crumble and cinnamon bread pudding. And then we have cookies. Assorted cookies, and they actually smell delicious. Many varieties too. And then look, they have scones, meringues. I haven't seen just meringues, I don't think. And then these little cookies and cakes. And then delicious fruit. And some cake. Alrighty guys, it is time to head to the Meet the Captain Welcome Back reception. This sure looks weathered since for the day. We've done a lot. Welcome back cocktail. 5:15, deck 7. We're going there right now. So it is in the lounge that I believe our lifeboat drill station was. It's all the way in the front of the ship. I want to give you guys a little tip I just learned. It's on deck 7. It's all the way in the front. I'm all the way in the back. If you're going to the front on deck 7, you have to go to the casino and to smoke to get back here to the back of the ship. I was thinking the lounge was in the very front. That's why I just walked there. But it wasn't. It's just gated. So I'm going back to midship to look for this lounge. Everybody's walking around with this paper. Lost, wandering, the halls of deck 7, looking for the captain and a cocktail. Apparently it's all the way aft, which is literally where I started from. I walked to the front of the ship for no reason and back. Oh, for exercise, huh? We're midship now. This is the bar we saw earlier with the giant beer flight. Oh my God, I wasn't totally wrong. Remember I was saying it was a purple lounge? It is at the back of the ship, not the front. Wow. I'm just gonna have a seat here. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Hi. Thank you. Fruit punch, non-alcoholic, and then sparkling wine. And look, there's some chips and some peanuts. The captain's gonna be here. I have not attended one of these before. People are just sitting around, sipping on their fruit cocktails and their champagne, eating peanuts and chips, waiting for what's about to happen, which I don't know. I know you're gonna meet the captain, so I guess that maybe he's gonna be up here, maybe meet the officers and stuff. Anyway, I was sitting here and I had this much of my drink left, and then he comes back and he's like, do you need something more to drink? And I was like, may I? And he's like, yes. And so I got another one, which is nice because I wanted to drink, but honestly, I'm on a budget. Oh my God, you guys, I heard his voice. Reverend Dr. E is the cruise director on the ship, and this is my second day and I haven't seen him. I've only heard him, and so many people on my Instagram are like, oh my God, you're so lucky because you're on the ship with him. I hope you've been seeing him a lot. And he's over there, and I'm hoping he's gonna come this way, and I want him to hopefully say hi to everybody. Oh my God, he's right behind me. I'm hoping he comes here next. So my cup was sitting here, the one that was almost empty before I got my second cup, which is sitting there. Actually, they filled this cup back up. I was like, okay. Right, guys, I got to meet him. I did, well, get a picture, okay? He asked, I told him, I was like, I have gotten so many people saying stuff about you. You're obviously a wonderful person, and I'm gonna show you the picture, okay? Oh my God, you guys, look, there it is, there it is. Oh, look at his face. I love that. And then someone took one of us. It's been 15 minutes just chilling in here. It's a really laid back atmosphere. Everybody's just sitting around. There's drinks, chips, peanuts. The officers are walking around, meeting people. So far, I've only met the cruise director. He's over there dancing in the corner. This is so just relaxing and nice. I love MSC. Oh my God, and you know what else? I forgot about this till someone at dinner reminded me last night. MSC matches your cruise points with any other cruise line.
Cruise director, the good Reverend Dr. E, and it's good to see you. It's good to be here as well. Is anyone celebrating anything special other than sailing? Uh-oh, I like that.
Now they have 2 flamenco dancers that are like the best on their ship dancing. If you sit over in the middle more, you would have a better view. They played like something on the screen, which I can't see, but it's all good. I'm just relaxed. This is so nice. I haven't done one of these before, and I'm really enjoying it. Now they have the future cruise consultant.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Also,
Thank you for choosing us again and again. A very warm welcome on board.
Oh my God, they're talking about the new MSC World of America. It's like the 3rd time I've heard something about booking it, and it's a sign, you guys. I'm gonna go home and book this. Guys, it's the captain from Italy and the senior officers. Thank you. I think we're all getting ready to do a cheers.
Salute!
Salute!
Gigi, welcome aboard.
Salute! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. This has been the most amazing cruise in 2 days. I'm never gonna hesitate to do solo cruising in my entire life. I'll tell you that. If you've been hesitating, freaking do it. Do it. Oh my God, they're coming around us. I'm gonna sit out here with my cup out, captain, and the officers are coming by. I'm just gonna sit here with my camera and my glass, just waiting for everyone to cheers me, because this is the coolest. Salute! She's just saying salute. I guess salute is Italian. Oh my God, this is so fun. Salute! Cheers! Someone on my live stream earlier said they wanted to see drunk Amy. Well, I said that's not gonna happen. I'm not drinking, but I had quite a few of these. I'm not gonna be drunk though, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be I'm tipsy. I'm not gonna deny it. Cheers! Cheers! Say salute! Salute!
Salute!
Salute!
Salute! Thank you.
Salute! Salute! To everybody I miss, salute! Salute! I love cheersing. You guys know I love cheersing. Yeah, I'm tipsy. Oh, that was fun. And I had a lot of champagnes. They kept refilling my cup and I didn't say no. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm tipsy. I know I usually deny it. I'm 5 minutes late for dinner. I'm just going to the dinner real quick, which is I think on deck 5. But I think I'm all the way in the back already.